now, y'all can kind of see it, how this side goes in towards the front of the car and this side is still normal. So once they redo my seats, I don't know if they gonna fix that or what, but if they are able to fix it, then I'm thinking I'm gonna get them to try to make me a custom board too, you feel me? If not, then I'll just remake my own, you feel me, and measure it and get all that stuff done and good to go, you feel what I'm saying? So like I said, this board is not permanent. This is just something for me to have so I can have the 6x9 in now, you feel me? Because y'all know I'm a little impatient. Got these stripped back, and now I'm just gonna plug them into the speakers. And like, I don't know if I told y'all, but my dad told me to get a crossover, and I don't know how to work crossovers, and I also don't know where I will mount it in this trunk, so I don't know what I'm gonna do there, but he told me I should get one. What's up, guys? This your boy Deuce, back with another video. And bro, it's finally time. As y'all can see, I took the wood off the top, I put it over there on the side, cut it in half, put it over there just to get it off top of the car, because like I told y'all, once my tie rods and stuff come in, this car is leaving, and I'm praying it don't be gone no longer than a week so I can get my car back and keep pushing forward. But my bad, I thought I heard something. But yeah, this video, man, y'all see the title, man. We finna finally go ahead and wire up them 6x9s. Y'all see they are back there. The third brake light not on yet. We're gonna do that in the next video. This video, I'm just too excited, bro. I want to get them wired up. Now I'm not gonna play them today because I don't feel like hooking the battery up, and it's already getting late in the day. It's almost 3 o'clock and the sun go down about 4:35, so I only got about 2 hours to do everything I want to do, which is wire up these 6x9s, put the third brake light in, run the base knob wire, like I said, just to have it ran, just in case if I do ever want to use it, it'll already be ready to go. So run the base knob, and it might be it. It might be all I'm gonna record for today, you know. So like I said, that's what we finna go ahead and do. I got literally brand new speaker cable again, but I got plenty back there, so I probably won't even need this roll, but I got it just in case. Got me another speaker wire cable cord so I can be able to run that, you feel me, just in case if I need some extra. And soon we finna go start cleaning out the car. My trunk filler piece still haven't came in the mail. My triple woven mesh wire grill for the box Chevy, it ain't came in yet, but I just ordered it like 2 days ago, and it's the weekend, so it ain't gonna come on the weekend. And I still gotta order the grill. I haven't ordered the new grill yet, but I can get one for like $50–60, you feel me, brand spanking new for my Caprice, not the 86 to 90 stuff. I got for mine, you feel me, the 84. So I'm finna get ready to order the grill, so you feel me, because I'm gonna probably have to do that project over here, because as y'all see, I haven't had time to go over there to the box Chevy. But good news, box Chevy gets dropped off tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna make a video on it because I haven't even done the driving video of y'all hearing that cam motor. So I'm probably not gonna make a video on me dropping it off, you feel me, because for the first driving video, I don't want it to be dropping the car right back off, you get what I'm saying? So what I think I'm gonna do is just drop the car off, you feel me, without recording, and then make the driving video once I get the car back, you feel me, not going to pick it up, but once I get the car back, then I'll do the driving video, because like I said, y'all haven't even got to hear that motor in traffic, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's the plan, man. I gotta drop that car off tomorrow, so I'm not gonna record it, but like I said, y'all just gotta stay tuned. We will get that video of the driving footage for that video very soon. You feel me? Like I said, I just haven't had time to go over there to that car. I've been so busy, I've been having to stay over here, and that's why I've only been able to work on this car, you feel me? I haven't been able to leave this crib because, like I told y'all before, some family situations, so I'm the one who's staying here, you feel me? That's what I can say. But yeah, like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this video, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Excuse me. Turn the post notification bell on all the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Roll to 5,000 subscribers. So I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new. Do whatever you can, you feel me? Help me reach that goal. And post my channel on my video. I don't know why I keep losing my train of thought, but post my channel on my videos if y'all can, if y'all want to, you feel me? Try to help me out on all social media platforms across. Tell your family and friends, come over to the channel, subscribe, and just vibe out, you feel me? It's only like 20 minutes of your day, you feel me? It don't take no time. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We finna get these 6x9s wired up, bro, and I'm telling you, I'm so excited to hear them. Even though we're not gonna hear them today, I'm very excited to hear these speakers. So y'all stay tuned, and I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, y'all, so like I told y'all, man, this board is most likely not gonna be permanent. You feel what I'm saying? Just because my seats gotta get redone, and when they redo my seats, I don't know if they gonna fix them. You feel me? Because like I told y'all, y'all look now, y'all can kind of see it, how this side goes in towards the front of the car, and this side is still normal. So once they redo my seats, I don't know if they gonna fix that or what. But if they are able to fix it, then I'm thinking I'm gonna get them to try to make me a custom board too. You feel me? If not, then I'll just remake my own, you feel me, and measure it and get all that stuff done and good to go. You feel what I'm saying? So like I said, this board is not permanent. This is just something for me to have so I can have the 6x9 in now. You feel me? Because y'all know I'm a little impatient and I don't like waiting. Don't know why. That's just how I've always been. So I just wanted these 6x9s in. So like I said, this board is not going to be in here permanently because the seats got to get redone. Once the seats get redone and all that stuff, then the board gonna get redone. And like I said, I'm gonna see if they can, the upholstery shop can remake my board. If not, then like I said, I will make my board myself. And y'all see I still got all the metal shavings back there. So the first thing I got to do before I take that out, because I'm gonna throw the wires on there, I'm gonna throw that whole towel away because it's too much metal shavings on there to be able to try to save that towel. So that was a junk towel anyways. But yeah, first thing I want to do is cut the OEM wires out of the way, because we're not using them anymore. We're putting new cables and we're gonna run them to my DS18 amp, and that amp should be strong enough to hold all 6 of these speakers, hopefully. If not, then I'll just order another DS18 amp and do it like that. So let me see, where can I sit y'all? Here. Let's try that. Take this big old coat off. So first, like I said, need to get this OEM wires up out of my way, so y'all can't even really see. Alright, so I did not do this tape job, you feel me? None of this stuff. Like I said, this was all here when I first started messing with this car. So yeah, all I did was just plug in my 4x10s. Y'all remember, I didn't do none of this, so yeah, I'm not even gonna undo the tape. What I'm gonna do is just cut it right here and right here. Get them up out of here. And these are now trash. And then these, I'm gonna try and squeeze them up here to keep them up out of my way. I'm trying to put them in here. So they'll be out of the way. There we go. And push it up. Like I said, because we're not throwing away the OEM wires, but we are getting them up out of my way a little bit. You feel what I'm saying? I might have to get a zip tie up out of the way. But yeah, now I can move this tile. And it's still a lot of metal shaving. I'm gonna have to get my vacuum and come back in here and vacuum all this out. Alright, I'm trying to be careful so I don't spread all these shavings everywhere. Yeah, got this out of the way. Now we can get ready to do these wires. Let me see, I don't have none over here. Alright, here go my wires right here. Let me see. Let me see. I should have enough, like I said, I should have enough to be able to do this. I know this one should be long enough for here. So this one is perfect for this side. So that one's good for there. And now I just gotta cut. Need enough on the other side. And then I can finally take all these wires up out of here. All this excess wires that I don't need. Take it up out of the car. Actually, here go. Think of wire right here. That should be good enough. Oh yeah, this is plenty long. I can actually use this one for here. And the other one get out of the way. And then this one is plenty long. Yeah, perfect, man, perfect. Alright, so first thing first, I got a wire stripper. And strip this wire back. Actually, I'm gonna strip it back a little bit more, just so I can fold it. Like I told y'all before, man, I probably should have waited to put the speaker box in, but it is what it is. Alright, got these stripped back, and now I'm just finna plug them into the speakers. And like, I don't know if I told y'all, but my dad told me to get a crossover. And I don't know how to work crossovers, and I also don't know where I will mount it in this trunk. So I don't know what I'm gonna do there, but he told me I should get one. Which side is the red? Back there. Yeah, having this speaker box right here is definitely makes this a lot harder, because the speaker box is in my way. And I can barely see. Alright, yeah. This wire too long. Folding it over was not the right move. Yeah, maybe I should have put this wire in before. Putting this rear deck in, because I can barely see. And I'm gonna run this along the back side. Like I said, I'm gonna have to put a few zip ties. Way be a little clean. So yeah, y'all can see that's all I'm doing, trying to plug it in there. Y'all can barely see too. But yeah, I'm just trying to plug them in and then run it alongside this back. Like I said, I'm gonna put some zip ties on here. But yeah, let me go ahead, finish this up, plug them in the amp, and I'll catch y'all once I'm done. Alright y'all, so I'm now finished, got everything wired up, and like I said, unfortunately we can't hear nothing right now because yeah, I don't feel like plugging the battery out. But like I said, I got everything gone ahead and wired up, plugged in. If I can, y'all see wire, same thing down there, wire, and then got them ran to the amp. Like I said, if this amp ain't strong enough, then I will be upgrading the amp. This is 1200 watts though, you feel me? And I think I don't remember what the door panel speakers was, but I think the rear deck speakers was 400 or 200, something like that. I'm gonna have to look and see. It should be on the bottom of the speaker, but honestly I can't see in there. And not gonna lie to y'all, it was really hard to work in this truck with already back here in this big old box. It was really difficult. But like I said, got it done, got everything wired up. And like I said, y'all not gonna be able to hear nothing in this video. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. I gotta clean up my board, because look at all this stuff on there. Metal shavings, wire. I got a vacuum again back here. Same thing on the side. Look at all that. I got a vacuum here again. It's crazy, bro. But like I said, that is done. Look at that amp, bro. Look at that CT sound amp. I hate this upside down, but like I said, it's fine. You feel me? Y'all know that. It's fine. Yeah, trunk is looking good. Wires are still organized. It ain't just thrown all together. You feel me? Like I said, I really took my time. This took a lot longer than I was expecting, but it was only difficult because, like I said, if this box was in my way. If this box wasn't right here, I would have got this done in like 10-15 minutes. But this box was in my way, so it took me like 30 minutes to actually get this finished. Trying to work around this box, and this box is too heavy for me to be trying to take it out and then put it back in. This box with these subs is too heavy, bro. Too heavy. But yeah, like I said, y'all gotta stay tuned to hear this stuff being played. Man, it will be coming very soon, bro. I might try to do it next week. It's supposed to warm up again next weekend. It's cold today. It's a little chilly. It's like 30 degrees today, so it's supposed to warm up again next week. And if so, then that's the weekend. We're gonna go ahead and try to let y'all hear this stuff, because I know y'all been waiting patiently to hear this stuff play, and me too. You feel me? I'm not gonna lie to y'all, being dead honest, cross my heart, I have not heard these subwoofers play. I have not heard these rear deck speakers play. I don't feel like hooking up the battery. Like I said, it's cold, bro. So yeah, I promise y'all, I have not heard nothing play. So when I agree to play this for y'all, most likely will be my first time here. I might hook it up during this week if it, like I said, if it warms up, and I might play it first myself, just so I can hear some music playing without getting copyrighted. Then I'll come back and let y'all hear it. You feel me? But yeah, I promise y'all, I have not heard nothing play besides the door panel speakers. That's it. The door panel speakers and the dash speakers. I haven't heard these 6x9s. I haven't heard these subs. I haven't heard this box. None. So, but yeah, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think. Leave y'all opinions in the comments. Rear deck speakers are now in and wired up. Stay tuned. Next video, we're finna put that third brake light back in, and then we should be pretty much completed. So stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all. So that's the end of this one, man. I'm telling you, I'm so excited because now the music system is fully completed in this car. Like I told y'all, the rear deck, it looks good. You feel me? I really do like it. But once my seats get redone, like I said, I don't know if they're gonna fix the shape of the seat. So their rear deck will most likely have to get remade. It's either gonna be by me, it's gonna be by that poster shop that's gonna do the seats. I'm probably gonna let them wrap my upper door cards and the vinyl top. They're gonna wrap my vinyl top, you feel me, which is gonna be black. I was gonna do like a tan, you feel me? I've seen tan with the blue, but nah, that black just gonna hit better, you feel me? The black is gonna look a lot better, and plus everything else is gonna be black and blue. Ain't no need of me just offsetting that with some tan, you feel me? So, or like a different color. But yeah, the upholstery shop that's gonna wrap my seats are gonna be wrapping my vinyl top. And like I said, if they can make me a rear deck, I might get a rear deck made while they have my seats and stuff. Or they probably gonna have the whole car because they got to do the vinyl top, you know. So probably get them to make me a rear deck if they can, and I'm probably gonna have them wrap my upper door cards that I've already made, you feel me? All they have to do is literally just wrap them. So yeah, we're gonna see though. Once that happens, it's gonna be a little while down the line before all that starts to happen, you feel me? I want to start working on the outside of the car. I want to get close to done with everything that I'm trying to do before I have the upholstery shop go ahead and upholster everything, you feel me? Because I don't want to still be doing like a lot of heavy duty work and then start getting all this interior stuff filthy, you feel what I'm saying? That's why I haven't put my carpet in yet. That's one main reason. But yeah, like I said, leave y'all opinions on the rear deck. Y'all stay tuned, where I'm telling you, just keep being patient with me. It's gonna happen. We're gonna do the sound check video for the door speakers, the dash, the rear deck, and the trunk. Now the rear deck too, you feel me? Like I said, I'm so excited, bro, because now my music system is done. Now I can finally move on to something else. But I gotta make one more video with the music stuff before y'all able to hear it, which is gonna be running the bass knob wire. I'm not gonna do it today because, I might go and do it today, but the next video we're gonna go ahead and do this third brake light, so y'all stay tuned for that. Other than that, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on, the way y'all get notified as soon as I drop a video. Share the channel, share this video, man. Road to 5,000 subscribers, so I need y'all help to hit that goal. Share the channel, share the video, subscribe if you're new, post the channel and the video on all social media platforms if y'all can, if y'all want to. Tell your family and friends, come subscribe to the channel, you feel me, and vibe out with me. Other than that, I love y'all, appreciate y'all, keep God first, and God bless, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.